In this video, I will teach you how to make a redstone engine, a condenser, and a geothermal generator. For the redstone engine, you need to make one wooden gears on sticks. You need to make a piston using cobblestone, wood, iron, and redstone. And then put it together like this. And then, sorry for the lag, how to make the geothermal generator. You need an iron furnace made like that, a generator made by iron furnace, refined iron, which is just cooked iron, and a battery, which is a little bit difficult to make. And then you put the generator, empty cells, glass, refined iron. You get a geothermal generator. And then to make a condenser, you will need 2 stone, 8 cobblestone, 5 diamonds, 4 obsidian, 1 coal, 3 iron, 1 redstone, 1 chest, and 1 charcoal. This is how you make the covalent dust, cobblestone, and then 1 charcoal. To make the other ones, you put 1 iron, 1 redstone, makes this blue stuff, blue covalent dust. And to make the last one, you put coal and a diamond. Might be expensive for some people. And this is how you would make the alchemical chest. You put the covalent dust in this order, the stone on each side, a diamond in the middle, iron on 2 bottom corners, and chest in the middle. Then with that, you put obsidian in the 4 corners, diamonds in the other outer corners, and alchemical chest in the middle. I'll show you what a condenser can do. I'll take these diamonds, which have the EMC value of 8,192. I will then put them in to make some iron. See, 1 diamond makes 32 iron, so that should make quite a bit of iron. As you can see, it has a lower EMC than diamond. Thank you for watching. Please watch my other videos.